Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious Nigerian fried rice. If you want to know how I came up with this delicious Nigerian fried rice, continue watching as I share. Here are the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have 3 cups of rice. Here is chicken. I've washed the chicken thoroughly. Here is fried rice spice, chicken seasoning, curry powder, fried shallot is also a spice, here I have salt, onion, rosemary spice, nutmeg seed I'll be grating a little, seasoning cube, fresh garlic and ginger. Then here is the fresh pepper I'll be using, so use to your taste. So here are the vegetables I'll be using. Here I have 3 small green pepper, green beans, carrots. So I'll be washing and be chopping all of these vegetables. This is the vegetable oil I'll be using. So like I said, I've washed my meat and put it in the pot. Then I'm adding the chopped onions, then the fried shallot, curry powder, chicken seasoning, rosemary spice. This is dry Cameroon pepper. I'm adding a little, seasoning cube, grated fresh ginger and garlic, grated nutmeg, that's half teaspoon, and salt. And I'm mixing with my hand. So I'm adding little water and I'll be cooking for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll be adding more water. Then I'll be cooking for another 8 to 10 minutes to get tender. So it's time to take out the meat. I will be using the stock to prepare the fried rice. So we are left with the chicken stock for our fried rice. In a boiling water, I've washed the rice and I'm adding it. And I'll parboil for 7 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'll be transferring into a sieve to drain water. So this is the chicken stock, and this is the particles from the chicken stock. I had to sieve it. We need just the water, right? And I've added little water. So you can use the chicken particles or whatever to prepare jollof rice. I've added the fried rice spice and seasoning cube, and I'm adding the coarsely blended pepper, then salt, and I'm mixing. And I'll cover and leave to boil. So after boiling, I'll be adding the rice. Hope you guys are seeing the water level. So I need more curry, so I added curry to enhance the color. So we'll be leaving to cook. So as you guys can see, our rice is well cooked, and I'll be transferring this into a sieve to stop the cooking process. So in a hot oil, I've added the chopped onions. I'll be frying for like 2 minutes. And I'll be adding the vegetable, the green beans, carrots, and the green pepper. And I'll be frying for 2 minutes. So I've taken out some of the vegetables. I've divided it into two, and I've added some rice in here, and I'll be stir frying. So you can do this in batches. Depending on the quantity you have. So I'm stir frying our rice. So it's ready. Our rice is ready. Stir fry for like 3 to 4 minutes, and you're good to go. Our fried rice is ready, guys. Ooh, get your cutleries. Let's do justice to this. Guys, get your cutleries. Let's do justice to this. Isn't this yummy? Alright guys, hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one, and have a lovely day. Bye bye. I love ya.